All right, welcome back to another episode of Hard Hat Heroes. The cool thing about this one is we are taking bartenders, baristas, busboys, you name it, but we are taking them and making them pipe fitters in just 14 weeks. Unbelievable. So let's go check this out. Let's go surprise them. They have no idea. Hi guys, how are you? Hello, afternoon. Hey, it's Capt. Wolfson. Hey, I wanted to I know you guys are in the middle of class, so if you guys could just come over here for just a couple minutes. I wanted to let you all know you are our Hard Hat Heroes this week. Woo! And I wanted to come and surprise you personally and mainly tell you thank you for all you are doing. It is really exciting and really well done. And I wanted to get some feedback too. So what's it like to come here and work together as a team?
It's really great. I like working with the people. I have great employees to work around and, to have a good team and just work together and efficiently. I like it. It's fun.
That's fantastic. So tell us a little bit about the program.
Well,
It's your baby.
the program is a 14-week program, and we bring these kids from all over the world to teach them how to be pipe fitters.
Everyone that I've come across in this program, they get it, they love it, and they enjoy every minute of it. So how do you do that? What's the secret that you have?
Oh, just to make it fun and enjoyable, and also to let them know that this is a safe-to-fail environment inside the shop. We're here to teach them. We're here to learn. It's okay if they goof up. We're here to correct it, and by the time they get out to the waterfront, those mistakes are minimized, and they can progress the job forward quickly as possible.
It doesn't get better than that, right? So as we always say, one mission, one team, really great job.